Do you see that? What's the most painful thing to step on? We all know it's a Lego. And you can see that corn is bigger than a piece of Lego. So can you imagine every day having that on the bottom of your foot and walking on it? I mean, how utterly painful. This is going to feel so good for this poor guy to get rid of this massive. In podiatry, they call it a Dremel. In plastic surgery, we call it a dermabrader. And I'm sure that in orthopedics, they have their own name for it. I don't know, a burr probably. Now in plastic surgery, I use a very similar device. It looks basically exactly the same, where I can actually burr down or dermabrate down the skin of the upper and the lower lip to reduce wrinkles. Some people will actually dermabrate the whole face to the point where it's actively bleeding, like the whole face is a crimson mask of blood.
Still bleeding. My face is still bleeding.
As a way to reduce scarring, let's say from old acne. But here it looks like in podiatry, you call it a Dremel. For his floor, I feel so bad for the person who has to clean this up.
Oh no, miss.
Number one, it's probably everywhere. You know, when we do these treatments, skin is just flying everywhere. It's not just going straight down on the floor. And number two,